Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Robustrion tablet cover for the Lenovo Tab4 10-inch variant. Now, this is what the front side of the packaging looks like. This comes in a simple plastic cover with the Robustrion branding on the front, and you can see what the front side of the cover actually looks like. And on the back, you have again the Robustrion branding along with the customer care contact number. You've got the little price sticker, which has one important note. It states that this will not fit the Lenovo Tab M10. So if you have the Lenovo Tab M10, please do not get this particular cover. This is meant for the Lenovo Tab4, the 10-inch variant. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the packaging. So this is what it looks like. The front side opens up. You got a little filler, and this is where you would be placing your tablet. It's got little grooves to sort of lock your tablet in space, and there are several cutouts for all the different features and functionalities. So if you look over here, you have a cutout for the camera, a cutout on the top for various interfaces, on the right for volume and power control. Similarly, you have cutouts on the bottom over here as well. The inside has a soft velvety finish, and if you have noticed, this is a tri-fold cover. So the cover actually folds into 3 parts. Once you do close it up, you have this leatherized feel on the front surface. And if you flip it around, you have the same texture running across the entire back as well. Now, this can also double up as a tablet stand. That's the importance of the tri-fold cover. Simply bring it towards the back, fold it in, and place your back cover onto that. Now, this is kind of springy, and because you don't have something heavy on this side, it's just unraveling on its own. But if the tablet were to be installed, then this is what it will look like from the side, and you'd be able to use it as a nice tablet stand. So that's it for the unboxing of the Robustrion Lenovo Tab4 10-inch variant tablet cover. Thank you for watching.